Hey everyone, JAYSTEPHER here with a tutorial on the revised edition of the basic blue pickup truck for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin the chassis with a 2x16 plate. Let's take a pair of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bearing. Let's place these on the left hand side. Let's skip a stud and set down a 2x6 plate followed by a pair of 1x4 plates. Next, a 2x6 plate. We're going to skip a stud and place down two more 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bearing. Skip a set of studs and set down a 2x3 plate where it's hanging over by two studs. Take a 2x4 plate, place a 1x8 modified plate with slide on one side of the 2x4 plate. We're going to place this on the top portion of our chassis. Make another one. We're going to place this on the other side. These are going to act as running boards. Take three 4x6 plates. We're going to let this one hang over by a set of studs. We're going to place this right here, followed by two more 4x6 plates. This is going to be a bit crunchy. Make sure the thing is locked down secure. Let's assemble the rear bumper starting with a 2x3 plate. I'm going to place down a 1x2 modified plate with slide in this area. I'm going to slide this off to the side and take a 1x2 plate. Let's place a 1x1 transparent red plate and a 1x1 flat tile on top of the 1x2 plate. We're going to attach this to a 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. And I'm going to set this on this portion of the 2x3 plate. Take another 2x3 plate, place down a 1x2 modified plate with slide. Now let's slide this off to the side, take a 1x2 plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 transparent red plate on the left hand side and a 1x1 flat tile on the right hand side and another 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. Place this on the front and we're going to set this on top of the 2x3 plate. We should have two pieces for our rear bumper. Now let's flip the chassis over. We're going to take our rear bumper assemblies. We're going to place these in the corners. Now, these are obviously going to line up with the existing 2x3 plate. Flip that over. Now take a 2x2 modified plate with ball hitch receiver. We're going to place this right in this area. And be sure to hold underneath to make sure that's locked down secure. Now back on the left hand side, we're going to set down a 1x4 plate and a 1x2 plate, followed by a 1x2 plate right here. In this area, let's place down a pair of 2x2 jumper plates. Let's surround the 2x2 jumper plates with 8 1x2 flat tiles. Now in this area right here, let's take a 1x2 profile brick, place it right next to the 1x2 plate, and a 1x2 by 2/3 slope. And here we're going to take a 1x2 steering wheel console, place it on top of the 1x2 plate, and a 1x4 brick right behind the dashboard. Now we're going to take four 2x2 modified plates with windscreen. We're going to place these right above the bearing plates. These are going to act as our fancy mud guards. Take a pair of 1x1 plates, place these on top of one another, followed by a 1x1 by 2/3 slope. Let's make four of these. We're going to fill in around the wheel wells to kind of finish off the interior of the bed. and a pair of 1x2 flat tiles. Starting on the left-hand side, we're going to take a pair of 1x2 inverted 45-degree slopes, place them right next to the wheel wells, followed by a pair of 1x4 bricks. A 1x2 brick in the center, followed by two 1x2x2 corner bricks. Now in these two areas, a set of 1x2 inverted 45-degree slopes. Now here is a bit of a fragile area we're going to need to hold underneath, so we're going to start with a pair of inverted 45-degree slopes, and I want to wrap around with two 1x2x2 corner bricks and a 1x2 brick. Just be sure to hold underneath the bumper assembly. And we're going to take two 2x2x2 seats, place them inside this area. This is going to be the cab. Press those down firm. Let's set down a 2x6 plate right on top of the wheel well and the inverted 45-degree slopes. And we're going to grab three 1x4 plates. Let's wrap around the cab portion of the truck. Take three more 1x4 plates. We're going to place one directly behind the seats and two on both sides. Let's finish up around the bed with three 1x6 plates. Now, placing these down are going to strengthen up the rear portion of the bed. You see, that's why it's very important to hold underneath. But after these are placed in, the rear portion of the truck will strengthen up. Now back in the front, let's set down a 1x4 plate and a pair of 1x2 plates, followed by two 1x2 flat tiles. Now let's place two more 1x2 plates, followed by a 1x4 plate for the back portion of the cab. Now in these two areas right here, we're going to place two 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. And to finish off the top of the bed, place five 1x4 flat tiles. Now, for this area, place three 1x2 radiator grills. Let's take a 2x6 plate for the front bumper and grille. We're going to place three 1x2 plates on the bottom portion and a pair of 1x2 radiator grills on the upper portion, and in the two remaining areas a set of 1x1 transparent clear plates for headlights. And I want to finish this off with a 1x6 flat tile. Now let's flip the assembly over, and on the back I'm going to place some 1x2 by 2x2 downwards angular plates. This is going to attach the front bumper and grille to the body. Let's set our front bumper and grille right in this area. Now let's finish off the hood with six 1x4 bricks with bow. Take two 1x2 bricks, place them on top of one another. We're going to need to make two of these. We're going to place these on both sides of the seat. In this area, place two 1x2x2 transparent clear wall elements and a 2x6x2 windshield. Let's lock all this together with a 1x6 plate and finish it off with a 1x6 flat tile. Now our truck does need some wheels. Let's flip this over. Take a wide tire and a wide rim. Place it in like so. Let's make 4 of these and place them on the bearing plates. Obviously we're going to need 4 tires for the vehicle to actually function. Place those on. Now take a 4x6 by 2/3 plate or hood. We're going to place 4 transparent yellow studs for little roof lights. Placing the roof on top of the cab is pretty straightforward, just snaps in place. Now this vehicle does only seat up to 1 minifigure for the driver's side. So this is the basic pickup truck, revised edition.